On an episode of Judge Judy, a seemingly routine small claims case took a dramatic twist. The plaintiff, a driver who operated a small rideshare service, alleged that the defendant, a former client, had stiffed him on payment for a ride. What initially appeared to be a straightforward non-payment dispute quickly unraveled into a tale of deceit and betrayal. The driver claimed the defendant hired him for a long-distance trip and agreed on a fare of $500. According to the plaintiff, the defendant promised to pay upon arrival but, once at the destination, gave a series of excuses about accessing funds. Feeling cornered, the driver left his contact information and allowed the defendant to leave, trusting they would honor the agreement later. Days turned into weeks, and the payment never arrived. In court, the defendant countered that the driver had misunderstood their agreement and that the fare was supposed to be lower. She accused the plaintiff of inflating the price after the trip and attempting to exploit her inexperience with rideshare services. Judge Judy, renowned for her sharp wit and no-nonsense approach, dissected both sides. The driver presented text messages in which the defendant acknowledged the $500 fare but cited personal financial issues as the reason for non-payment. The defendant's explanations grew increasingly contradictory under Judge Judy's questioning. Ultimately, Judge Judy ruled in favor of the driver, ordering the defendant to pay the full $500 plus court fees. She admonished the defendant for attempting to manipulate the driver's trust, stating, "A promise is a promise, and you don't double-cross someone who extended you grace." This episode served as a classic reminder of the importance of written agreements and the consequences of dishonesty in court.